Well, hey, so I wonder why that's probably needs to be up here. Okay. Yeah, bear with me here. This is my first time streaming. I'm gonna get this down here and we'll click into here. All right, so we're using Claude Code today to work on trying to create Ranger Group 42, Dead Man's Gulch, the book, which is available on Amazon and Audible and also Spotify, into a video game, first-person shooter, you know, and space battle, live space battle. So first thing we gotta do is initiate Claude. And then pulling down the repo from GitHub as I've made some changes. So we want to go ahead and make sure that we have everything up to date for Claude to work on. Yes. So we updated the global rules because in the last run, Claude tried to generate some image files with Claude code. It doesn't seem to work, so updated the global rules to tell it to never try to generate PNGs, BMPs, JPGs, etc., etc. So now we're going to tell it to review the docs folder and determine where we are in the program. Then run Godot and headless to fix the errors from the last session. So I'm not sure if Claude is able to remember each session that we enter into and exit out of. But I'm entering into and exiting out of Claude continuously because it uses money every single second that you're connected to it. Kind of sucks, but I mean, it is what it is. So now it's read through the docs, as you can see over here. Well, I guess it's over here. Read through the docs. And now it's starting to load Godot. It hasn't been able to find it. Yes, we want to search for Godot. Yes. Mm-hmm. So now it's checking the home drive. It's having some trouble finding it. I was pretty sure that I put it in the user bin, but yes, it's in the home. It definitely is in home. Still trying to find it. Obviously, this is going to be costing money, so I need to fix this before the next run. No, let's execute folder of the executable for window. I know I placed it in there for sure, so. And now it's found it, so now it's able to start it. Yes. And as you can see, it's popped up a full version, which is supposed to be running it headless. It's still making mistakes. Yes, all right, it popped it up again, more errors. So you still have to know some programming, still have to know, folder and project structure. You have to understand the errors that are popping up and what it's trying to fix, because it's going to keep asking you questions like this. Do you want to keep doing this? Do you want to skip forward? I'm going to go ahead and go with the skip forward because we are committing this to GitHub. So all of the changes that Claude's made, we can roll back if we really need to. Yes. Yes, as I told it before to run it headless, it's finally figured out that it needs to run it headless so it can get an idea of all the errors. It's going to be fun once the game's finally in a functional format. I can't wait to show you guys gameplay. All right, I know this is probably not great for YouTube to just have blank dead air, but as we are live here and I'm trying to figure this out at the same time myself, we're gonna see kind of how much it's using. So it's used under $1 so far. It's connected to both Claude 3.7 and 3.5, and it's going back and forth between the two. More on Claude 3.7. All right, do you want to proceed? Yes. Don't ask again. Mm. Yeah, that's sort of in a endless loop now, and looks like well, it's finally doing something. So it's written some lines. It's gonna now test the new script. It's running Godot headless, which basically means that it's not gonna pop up the visual GUI interface. Yes, to run it. So now you can see some errors popping up. It's going through. Let's fix the errors. Yes. Perfect. The system is now fully tested and working correctly. Here's a summary of what we found. The couple planets, some resources. It looks like this confirms the resource system is properly configured, with each planet having assignments, definitions, and there are no errors, minor warnings. So let's go ahead and push this to GitHub. Yeah, we'll say commit and push to GitHub. We're gonna see if there are any errors with the pushing to GitHub. Yes, let's push them. It's been pushed. All right, so I'm gonna come over here to the Windows machine, which you can see here. I'm gonna see if it lets me get whole. Yeah, there's still some errors, so I'm gonna have to figure out how to fix those errors here. So let's see. Run Godot. Yes, there we are. Oh, well, I'm not real sure there. And see, you can see the first, this is just basic stuff, but, and it looks like some of it's backwards. I'm pressing what should be forwards and going backwards and going forwards when I'm pressing backwards, but left and right are correct. Spin around is not functioning. Jump is. Looks like you can jump twice, which is nice. You can still run through buildings, so that's not good. Yep, trying to figure that. Yeah, there's no collision. So there's gonna definitely have to be some working around with the actual gameplay. But as you can see, like Claude starts creating an actual game that you can, a framework that you can build off of, which is really awesome. So, thanks for joining me. If doubt anyone made it here, there's 0 views or whatnot, but maybe in the future someone will run across this and see it and enjoy. So, have a good one.